Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing a backup. This prevents irreversible loss if something goes wrong. Once done, connect via SFTP or your host file manager and navigate to /wp-content/themes/your theme. Make sure you locate header, PHP and any header template parts like header template, PHP or parts/header. Open them in a plain text editor, not a visual editor, because you need direct control. Now scan for header tags, site title functions, and nav markup so you can confidently remove or modify only the header markup. You will now edit cautiously. First, comment out the header block using PHP/**/ or HTML, or wrap PHP calls in conditional comments. Then save and refresh your site to confirm layout and responsiveness. If things break, revert the commented code. When the header removal looks right, delete the code. Next, update style. CSS to remove or override header-related classes. Using display, none is quick, but cleaning CSS and template logic prevents residual spacing or accessibility issues. You finish by clearing all caches, plugin cache, CDN, and your browser, so changes appear for all users. Test across viewport sizes and verify no empty landmarks remain. Remove or update area roles and navigation fallbacks to maintain accessibility. If you see PHP errors or missing elements, immediately re-enable the commented code or restore your backup, then inspect error logs to find the problematic line. One key troubleshooting tip: use WP debug in a staging environment to surface issues before touching a live site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.